One of the worst killer in breast cancer for women, and a rare case, sometimes men, is breast cancer. It's a devastating sickness that can tear families apart. Many people in the United States that are not suffering from the disease know themselves, know a family member or friend of a friend that go through this battle every day. Battle every day. Battling breast cancer. A main point of this speech are knowing what breast cancer is, how to prevent it, and how to catch it. First, according to the research, cancer is a disease where normal cell, breast cancer is a disease where normal cell of the breast start to grow and divide into abnormal rate. Those cells can become malignant and invade and disturb different organs that can lead to multi-organ failure. Multi-organ failure. Those abnormal cells grow into a hard mass, which are known as a tumor. Next, there are two common types of breast cancer. According to the Mayo Clinic, the number one ranked hospital, the type are invasive ductal carcinoma and invasive lobular carcinoma. Invasive ductal carcinoma make up to 80% of all breast cancers cases. These types spread to surrounding breast tissue, starting from the milk duct. Invasive lobular carcinoma make up to 10% of breast cancer, and they start from the breast duct. Growing up in West Africa, there wasn't much breast cancer awareness. I had a family member that passed away from the disease. At the time, nobody knows what was the cause. When you asked, they just said that there's something wrong with her breast. And then she passed away and leaving behind three girls. I learned about breast cancer. I didn't know about the breast cancer until I had my first child. I learned about the breast cancer at the time, and I realized it may have been the cause of my family friend that passed away. It showed that breast cancer awareness is extremely important. Although there's a lot of it in the United States. Other countries don't have this privilege. Some risk factors of breast cancer that can be avoided are drinking. According to the Christian Nordqvist, a medical news today wrote on a breast cancer article, I quote, a study has shown that women who consume more than three drinks a day have 1.5 times higher risk factor don't necessarily lead to breast cancer. Unfortunately, having a line of breast cancer is a risk that having a family line of a breast cancer is a risk factor that can't be avoided. Thus, I learned that self-examination is important in catching breast cancer early. According to breastcancer.org on February 17, 2017, examining your breast and show or when you are changing is an easy but crucial step in avoiding late stage of breast cancer. This is done by checking and feeling for abnormal in the breast. Getting screened done around the age of 35 is also helpful. There is a lot of information out there to learn about this horrific disease. Some other way you can prevent breast cancer are taking care of your body and yourself. According to the American Cancer Association, an organization dedicated to beating breast cancer since 1913, getting exercise is as simple as 30 minutes a day can be extremely helpful. Nobody is perfect, but we can all try to care for ourselves and our family. One of my good friend also lost her mother from breast cancer when she was 13 years old. She is 26, but she still talk about her mom, and the pain in her voice is like it happened yesterday. When we have many ways that breast cancer is given awareness. In fact, we have a whole month dedicated to it. So it's a good idea to learn about it. I have some information here about how you can check yourself and the research about what you can do to help and what information you can get out of it to tell people around about it.